Are you looking for the best Dyson vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best Dyson vacuums. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra/Complete. If you need something with more power and are okay with lugging around a big and heavy appliance, consider the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra/Complete. It's a better option than the best Dyson stick vacuums for longer deep cleaning sessions, since its corded design ensures you won't run out of charge midway through. It's powerful enough to handle messes on different surfaces, from bare floors to high-pile carpets. Its floor head features a set of built-in plastic vanes that are remarkably effective in trapping long hair, preventing it from jamming the mechanism. It also has 3 levels of surface type adjustment, enabling you to adapt to different floor types on the fly. The power cord is very long, so you won't have to swap outlets when cleaning bigger areas. You'll need to wind the power cord back manually, which is a hassle and a disappointment for such an expensive vacuum. Unfortunately, its build quality isn't especially robust, as the mostly plastic construction creaks and flexes slightly while in use. Its ball-shaped will makes it more maneuverable than most conventional uprights, but it's still a bulky and heavy machine, not to mention noisy. Also, while its redesigned floor head allows superior maneuverability on carpeting compared to the older Dyson Ball Animal 2, which had a habit of tearing up carpet fibers, the Ball Animal 3 can still get stuck on thick shag pile rugs. Number 3. Dyson V8. Dyson vacuums are expensive compared to their peers, but you can score a reasonable deal if you're willing to forego some of the convenience features of newer models. To this end, the Dyson V8 is the best cordless Dyson vacuum we've tested at a budget-friendly price. It's lightweight and very easy to use, and it delivers strong performance on most surfaces. There are some trade-offs, though. It isn't quite as powerful as the pricier Dyson V12 Detect Slim or the Dyson V15 Detect. It also loses the automatic power adjustment feature and lacks an onboard dirt sensor. There's no suction release gate to help improve maneuverability on carpets, but there are 2 different power modes to suit different surface types. Unsurprisingly, its battery performance lags behind that of newer models with higher capacity batteries. You can only expect about 40 minutes of runtime in its default power mode, and it takes quite a while to recharge. Running it in its max mode drains its battery in under 10 minutes, so you must be quick when dealing with stubborn messes. Its build quality also feels a tad fragile, a common downside of Dyson vacuums. Its vertically oriented dustbin is slightly less spacious than the horizontally mounted dirt compartments in the newer models. Number 2. Dyson V12 Detect Slim. If you're looking for the best cordless Dyson vacuum at a mid-range price point, look at the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. The V12 has a less powerful 150 AW suction motor, so it falls slightly behind the Dyson V15 Detect in deep cleaning performance. However, when it comes to real-world debris pickup, there isn't a massive difference between the 2 models. It's also smaller and lighter than the V15, making it easier to use in tight spots. Better yet, it shares many of the same features at a more affordable price. For example, they both include a built-in particle sensor and automatic power adjustment system, which allows the vacuum to increase suction when passing over a carpeted surface or an area with a lot of debris. Like its pricier stablemate, it comes bundled with a multi-surface floor head, a secondary floor head with a soft brush roll, and an integrated laser light to help you see fine debris on hard floors. Unlike the V15, it has an on-off button instead of a trigger, making it a little more comfortable to use for extended periods. Unfortunately, its compact, lightweight design comes at the cost of debris capacity, as it has a pretty small dustbin that you'll need to empty often. If you want a mid-priced Dyson vacuum with a higher capacity dustbin, consider the Dyson V11, though it's less maneuverable than the V12 and lacks a particle sensor. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The best Dyson vacuum we've tested is the Dyson V15 Detect. This cordless stick/handheld vacuum's headlining feature is its built-in dirt sensor, which counts and measures the size of particles sucked into the vacuum. You can see this information on the LED display at the back of its body. This isn't a must-have feature, but it can be very handy if you suffer from allergies and want a rough estimate of allergen quantities within your home. Its other main feature is its surface detection system, which automatically increases power on carpeted surfaces and lowers it when it passes back onto hard floors. The vacuum's 230 AW suction motor is remarkably powerful for a cordless model and allows superb debris pickup on various surfaces, comparable to some corded models. However, its strong suction force can also cause it to get stuck on shag carpeting or drag around some lighter rugs. All variants come with a wide selection of attachments, like a soft roller floor head with a laser light to help you see small debris on bare surfaces and a conical turbo brush. Dyson bundles its more expensive variants with additional attachments like a flexible adapter and a worktop tool for cleaning hard surfaces like counters or work tables. It's worth noting that the newer Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute has effectively replaced this vacuum as the brand's flagship. However, this newer model performs no better than the older V15. While it does have a few minor quality of life upgrades, like an integrated combination tool and a brighter laser light for its soft roller floor head, they aren't enough to dethrone the V15 as the best cordless Dyson vacuum, especially given the substantial price increase. Of course, if money's not a concern, there's also the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize, which differs slightly from the standard Gen 5 Detect by featuring an enlarged dustbin and a wider cleaning head.